The most important part about Hollandaise sauce is don't fucking overcook your eggs on Eggs Benedict.
Hey, my name's Chris Rivest. I'm not a chef, but probably neither are you. Welcome to the Rivestaurant.
Start with a pot and a stainless steel bowl. Get a little bit of water going. You want to create sort of a double boiler.
Is that bowl touching the water? Yes. You don't want to touch the water or else you're fucked.
While that heats up, start by breaking 2 eggs.
Ooh, there's a good way to crack it.
Preserving just the yolk. There's even that little boogery part that's attached to the egg.
That's the chicken.
Get rid of that.
There you go.
What?
You got it.
Got it.
Broke the yolk, man. Fail of life.
Then take about a 1/4 cup of softened room temperature butter. Nice little room temperature cubes. Set those aside so they're easy to grab as you go. Take a lemon, roll it around, get those juices flowing. Cut it. Use some juice out, saving pith and some seeds. Take a wooden spoon, throw our egg yolks in, our ghetto double boiler, a little sploosh of lemon juice, and just mix that around. Keep your butter on hand and keep it moving. Throw in 1 butter. If you feel it's getting too hot, you can always
Lift up the bowl.
lift up the bowl. Important thing is to just keep it moving and keep a good temperature on that. Keep it moving.
Looks like Hollandaise sauce.
Yeah, and as each butter melts, add 1 at a time. Gotta make sure it's soft butter though. If it's cold, you're just gonna separate this whole thing. As you can see, I can tell my pan is getting too hot just by the rapidness of the butter melting. So you just take it out and then just put it back in.
That looks like a Hollandaise sauce.
Starting to leave a trail. At the end, just dab a dash of cayenne, pinch of salt, and that is a classic Hollandaise sauce.
Nice. Oh fuck, that's really good now.
Jeez, you got a spoon or what?
Yeah, give me a spoon.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Decadent.
Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving children. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving children. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving children. Clean your plate, motherfucker.
You can save these egg whites for egg white omelets if you hate yourselves, or meringue if you love yourself.